Good evening to all the friends of Hosur. It is a very, very auspicious day for the people of the Krishnagiri district and all over Tamil Nadu. In fact, entire country. Because the group, it is initiated by one of the famous IT professionals joined here. They started the concept of Oh My God group, Oh My God concept. This is one of the best app available now across the country, across the world, to give the access to almost all the Hindu temples in the world, particularly in Tamil Nadu and South India. It is the first time everybody is hearing about this concept. It is going to cater wonderful services to every of the devotee, every of the Hindu family, out of nearly about 100 crores of Hindus, those who are living in India. All they can access across the globe. They got the contact and they are going to create a wonderful service to all the Hindus and all the Indians. Of course, of course, tomorrow, the people from Guinness Book, the Guinness Record people, those who are coming from some various countries like Japan, Germany, they are going to first access and then assess about these services. Hopefully, this is going to create a record break in the Guinness Book. This is a great event for the Hosur people. It's the choice for all of us to take part and take the blessings of all the Swamijis and all the chantings what is happening here.
अयं मे हस्तो भगवान् मे भगवत्तरः अयं मे विष्णवे गोयं शिवाभिमदजनः एते सहस्रवेतं वाचामत्यो मत्याय हन्तवे आनयज्ञस्य मायया सर्वं
అందరికీ నమస్కారము. ఈ దినం ఒసూరు రోజులో జరుగుతుండే ఈ అసాధారణమైన ఒక ఈవెంట్ ఏమంటే ఓ మై గాడ్ అనే కాన్సెప్టు ఈ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఈ దేశంలో ఉండే భూలోకంలో ఉండే అన్ని హిందూ టెంపుల్కి ఈ ఒక యాప్ మూలంగా వాళ్ళని యాక్సెస్ చేసేదానికి వాళ్ళ ఫెసిలిటీసు టైమింగు ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చో, అభిషేకం చేయొచ్చా లేదో వేరే ఏమేమి చేసుకోవచ్చు, హోమాలు చేసుకోవచ్చా అట్లని కనిపెట్టి ఆ జాగాలకు వెళ్ళేదానికి వీళ్ళ యాప్స్ నిండా సపోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంది. ఇది ఇంతవరకు మనకు తెలిసి మన ఇండియాలో ఎవరు చేసినట్లు లేవు. ఇదే ఫస్ట్ టైం మనమందరూ ఇది మన నాలెడ్జ్కి వచ్చింది. ఈ యాప్ మూలంగా, ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ మూలంగా మన హిందూస్ అందరూ కూడా అన్ని టెంపుల్కి పోయి నిండా టైం వేస్ట్ చేయకుండా, నిండా క్యూలో నిలయకుండా ఈ యాప్ మూలంగా అన్ని సపోర్టు సర్వీస్ తీసుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటాను. ఈ టైంలో ఓసూరులో ఈ శివరాత్రి సందర్భంలో ఈ ఒక చాంటింగు, ఈ ఒక హోమాలు, ఈ ఒక ఫంక్షన్ చేసేది మన ఒసూరు కృష్ణగిరి భూమికి కూడా మంచిది, మన ఫ్యామిలీకి అందరికీ మంచిది. సో అందరూ కూడా ఇక్కడ వచ్చి ఈ దేవుని దగ్గర బ్లెస్సింగ్ తీసుకుని ఈ చాంటింగ్ వినేసి ఈ యాప్ని యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలని అందరినీ కోరుకుంటాను. నమస్కారం. Oh my God team, when they came and met me some 1 month back, I got surprised. What is meant by oh my God? When we feel something either higher or lower, we say oh my God. So how they brought up this kind of wording and this kind of concept, it's a wonderful thing, which is Mr. Naveen and our Mike Srinivasan, Mike Murali. Mike Murali is very famous in almost all the auditoriums and is well familiar now across the country now. And the team which is headed by this all the group, which are very famous people, very finest, very high tuned people from the IT sector, software sector, and they are going to be the very expertise people for the future AI technology in this country, in this area. I put one word to them: whatever you do in the future, this team has to create some data center for our Hosur area. They are working on that. They will be supporting all our upcoming IT industries, particularly on the startups, and everyone, whether it is a women entrepreneur or anyone, they can take the support from them. They will be the guiding force for this location and for this almost all the areas. We are going to invite them for various programs which is going to be conducted by our party also. It is not for political development, it is for the industry development in this area. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, inviting me to participate and to address this program here. It is a God's gift today for me to take part here. I congratulate, I salute all of my brothers, those who created this opportunity for the people of Hosur. Thank you very much. And for you also, you can also join for a photograph. See, Shweta, and women entrepreneurs also there. Subject which they are going to motivate and create both women entrepreneurship also in this area, this IT field, software field, all the upcoming field. I think they are going to modernize, they are going to develop in Hosur area, which will going to be a biggest gateway for entire Tamil Nadu. With this, let me conclude my wishes for this program and wishing them all the best for the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Means a lot.